Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapAndMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. And today I'm going to share with you the birthday card organizer kit. Great idea for Christmas present. Let's get started. This is how the kit comes. It's really nicely wrapped, nicely packaged. It's got easy to wrap up to put under the tree. It could be for a Christmas present, a birthday present, a thinking of you gift, or just keep it for yourself, which is what I've done. But it would be great for a girlfriend, a mom, an aunt, a cousin, anybody that you think would like to be organized and send cards throughout the year. I'm going to show you the contents of the kit. And I'm just so that I can fit it all into the camera space here. So the kit comes with a few components. I'm going to put that aside and I'm just going to open it up. And if you're interested, I will put all of the ordering information in the description box. This is online, available online. It's not in a catalog, so every once in a while Stampin' Up! Releases kits, and this is one of the kits. And it was just released recently. Oops, I brought the instructions. Okay, here we go. Here are the instructions. It comes with an organizer, plus it comes with cards that you can create easily, no stamping involved, so you don't have to be super crafty. And then you can, if you're not crafty, you can always use store-bought cards to fill in for the rest of the year. But it does come with, I think, 12 cards that you can to start you off with, and instructions on how to put the cards together. Really simple, guys. There's no, like I mentioned before, no stamping involved. So it comes the notebook and then 12 cards. Coordinating colors are basic black, evening evergreen, petal pink, Sahara sand, and soft succulent. There's stamping basics. Anybody that wants to know stamping basics, there's a QR code there as well. So it comes with everything you need to put the 12 cards together, just so you know that. But let's start with the book. It is very, very sturdy. Maybe it is considered chipboard. Yeah, but it's very sturdy. And it's got pockets here at the front, and there is a pocket at the back. The pockets are not gusseted, so they're gusseted on one side, the side that is near the spiral bounding. It's a bit thicker, but it's not on this side, so you can fit cards into here. And it's really very simple to use. So, oh, and there's pockets also in each of the months as well. So this would be January, and let me just get out the, here we go. It comes in 3 languages so as well. January, here we go. Here's Anglais. So we've got tags, and they're peel and stick, or flags, I should say. So you'd put January here, and then you would write all of your January birthdays on that page. And then we've got February, and you'd put February there, and you'd write all your February birthdays on that page. And again, there are pockets on each of them. And then you would go through right till December. And like I said, there's a pocket at the back. It's a little bit wider on this side than it is that side. And the same with the pocket on the front. Because of the spiral binding here, it's a little bit thicker or wider than it is on that side. So there is, let me just do January and start it off, because this one is going to be kept for me. And I actually really like this, as I've had organizers before and they've been box style. I like this because it would easily sit on my shelf like a book. And so there's the January. And then I'll go and write all of the January birthdays. Easy to be organized. And I'll put that aside there. Then we've got cards. And as I mentioned, we've got 6 cards. And these are the envelopes for 6 of them. Here are the coordinating cards, like that. I love the coordination. And then there are 6 cards with, and this is the envelope, and people laugh at me, but I do get excited by envelopes, I do. And then these are the coordinating cards that go with this. What I love about this kit is that one card, while one card may be more feminine, the other card, I think, it has a masculine twist to it. So here are the die cuts for the cards, and obviously these die cuts, and there's enough, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 sheets, and look, I can pop these all out at once. These are all for what I'd call the feminine card, but these geometric shapes, is that what they're called? I'm going to call it geometric shapes. Triangles, I think they would make a great male card. Even though this is polka dots and this is polka dots, once you add it all together, I'm going to show you the finished picture. I think that you can cover it with masculine cards as well, that it would make a great masculine card. So these geometric shapes would go on that card, and then these florals, I'm not going to pop them up, would go on that card. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 banners, and that goes on the more, what I'm calling the more feminine card. And then the happiest birthday, oh, here we go. Happiest birthday, 1, 2, 3, there we go. 4, 5, 6 would go on to the more masculine card, and then the It's Your Day would go on to the more, what I'm calling the more feminine card. And here are the finished cards. This is what I'm calling the more masculine card. And that obviously would be the more feminine card. And then it also comes with, let me show you the rest of the kit. Glue dots. Like I said, if you're not a crafter, you don't have the supplies, they've given you everything to create these projects. Dimensionals, and then adhesive back sparkly sequins. Now, since I've got a captive audience, I'm going to put one each of the cards together. So this is what I'm calling the more feminine card. And I'm actually, you know, I don't read directions, right? And that would go there. And I'm going to pop out one each of these. Really simple to get put together. And okay, so this, I'm not going to use the glue dots just for the sake of time. I'm just going to use my tape runner, but like I said, it has the glue dots there, so you can easily put it together without any supplies. And I'm just using my grid paper, and I'm not even reading the instructions, as you can follow, as you can guess, putting that one down there. And this one is going to get popped up like that. And again, I'm going to use dimensionals that I have already open. And I'm going to put dimensionals on this one. And I'm sure if I were to read the instructions, there would be, it would give you clear, precise how to follow along. But I'm an eyeballer, and I am going to follow the picture. And I'm going to put this one like that. And then we've got we've got 3 other add-ons. And then this one is going to get tucked under there like that. This one is going to get tucked under there like that. And this one is going to get tucked up there like that. If you so desire and you have crafting supplies, you can add, you know, my magic is Wink of Stella to anything to brighten up some of the flower edge, or you can use your own Stampin' blends to add some detail, some extra color. I'm just using liquid adhesive and adhering that to the bottom like that underneath. And I'm going to do the same with this one. You've got glue dots in your kit, so you don't need liquid adhesive because it comes with it. And then the last one I'm going to put up here like this. I'm going to tuck this in like that. Okay, and it's your day. And this is adhesive back, so there's no ifs, ands, or buts. It's going to get tucked in right there like that. So, you know, this could be a birthday, congratulations, like that. It's going to get added in like that. And then I'm going to add 3, I'm looking for a pair of scissors, there we go. I'm going to add 3 of the adhesive backed gems or sequins. I'm going to put 1 there, and I'm sure it tells you in the instructions how many to actually use, but for this I'm just going to put in 3. So that is the first card, folks. That is how easy it is, no stamping. So that's the first card. I've started, I'm going to say not the harder card, but the one that was easier to follow on the instructions. And then here's the envelope. Look at that coordination, and let me just put that aside. And I'm going to get out the next card base, which is the polka dots, like this. And I need this, and I need one of these. So this is going to get added on like that. This is going to get added on like that. Yep. And I am going to use, again, you've got glue dots. I'm just going to use a liquid adhesive because for the sake of time, and I have it out. And this, I'm doing these exactly as per the instructions. Well, without reading the instructions. That's how simple it is to put together. You don't even have to read the instructions, but you could change it up however you so desired. And then this one goes on like that. Now here the question is, do I want to pop that up, put my own little take on it? I'm getting out the happiest birthday. Happiest birthday is going to be flush. So do I want to pop that up? No, I'm going to leave it flush. I'm going to make it flush because I'm calling it a more masculine card. So I don't want to get too prissy on it. Even though I am going to put a couple of sequins on it. Like that. And then here is the happiest birthday. And again, adhesive backed. And I'm going to put it right there, sort of so it's going along that line there. And again, I'm going to pick up 3 of the sequins just to give it a little bit of glimmer, even though I'm calling it a masculine card. Oops, that one I missed some of the adhesive with it. Let me try again. There we go. And there is the other card. I'm telling you guys, that's how easy it is. As you can tell, there was no stamping whatsoever, and easy to put together. And then this is the envelope that goes with this one. So I would open up my my planner. I would stick that card in there, and I would stick this one in here, and I would make the other cards, stick them in where needed be, and fill in all the information. And then here you can put, you know, this belongs to Elizabeth, or whatever inspirational quote you want to put on there. So what do you think? I think this is an amazing gift for somebody, especially for a Christmas present for someone that, you know, you're doing maybe a Secret Santa for or something like that. Or if you want to send somebody a nice little gift in the mail. So it's called the Birthday Card Organizer Kit, and it is 161056. And in the Canada, it's $34, and you get the planner and you get 12 cards to put together. And as I said, I will put all of the information in down below, including, I hope, the link that will take you to the Shop Now page. Great value. I can't say enough about this. And I do predict this will sell out because I know a lot of people are buying it for Christmas gifts. Take care, happy stamping, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.